But all right, guys, enough dicking around. It's time to get into the charts. You guys ready to get into the charts or what? Aw, thanks, Thee. Much appreciated. Good morning, Timo. So, we had PPI this morning, and we do have some more news coming here in about 10 minutes. We are about to enter the macro. We got prelim consumer sentiment here at 10 a.m. New York. And just to give you guys a real quick and easy bias for the day, I guess we could start off still on the higher time frames, though. So, on the daily candle, we've traded down now into discount of this previous daily range. So traded below 50% there into a daily fair value gap. Swept previous day high, and now we're trading back up. So based on what I see on the daily chart, I'm feeling pretty bullish. Am I expecting a new high of the week? No. But I would expect price to want to rebalance back to at least equilibrium of the range from yesterday would be my target for today. Let's check ES here quickly. Like this. The daily. Okay, so previous day low sweep on both ES and NQ. Drop it down to the 5. I'm going to check regular trading hours. I don't think there's going to be much of an opening range gap to worry about here. No. Yeah, we closed and opened in the same range. We didn't really move at all. Like from where I sit, you know, if I had to pick a bias based on models, this is what this is starting to look like, in my opinion. And again, not trying to trade price all the way back to this high. That's not what I'm trying to do. Just the rebalance, but this is what I see, right? Because of this raid. Just measuring out the CPI manipulation brings 2 to 2.5 just below equilibrium as well. All right, guys, so 15-minute fair value gap being left here in a minute. And unlike what I did yesterday, I think for right now, I just want to stick with the long bias until we really trade up into premium. But I really don't feel like flipping. 15-minute fair value gap here. So that'd be perfect, honestly, to see a soup of that low into the 15-minute gap. Long the bloody piss out of it. Long the bloody piss out of it. My plan will be, depending on how this all shapes out, if I do end up getting in a long, as long as my risk is fair, I'm gonna go in with 2 cons. I'll take 1 con off at the high, recent high that we just put in, and then I'm gonna leave a runner for equilibrium. Will be the idea. All right, guys, trading into the 15-minute inefficiency. I do kind of just want to see a reaction back up before I hop in. It's a giant inefficiency, so the idea of trying to get a turtle soup entry is generally, sometimes you got to finesse it with the timing a little bit. It can be a little hard because you're trying to buy the low, right? You're buying the stops with stop at recent low. So you want to try to position yourself where price isn't going to need to come back lower again and raid your entry. Easier said than done. Could even play off a little inverse, I suppose, huh? All right, guys, I went and hopped in long, jumped the gun just a little bit before the candle closed, but wanted to see that inverse. Stops going not all the way at the low, but near the low. Trade. One coming off at the high, guys, and then runner for equilibrium. Hands free, coffee in hand. Now we watch and wait. Risk will be removed once TP1 is hit as well. Then he found out, wasn't very happy. All right, guys, TP1 hit, risk removed. Make sure to modify your orders. I am going to leave a runner. And let's just see if we can have some fun today, guys. See if we can have some fun. Bullish order flow, baby. Come on. Bull me to my flow of order. Anyway, well, hey, we've earned it. We've earned it, boys and girls. That's so much more fun playing those sounds than the other ones.
And as for me, I like the stock.
I like the fucking stock, boys. Run, baby. You know what? Let me change the song. All right, I'm trailing my stop up here. 601 is my new trailed stop. Because we would have to invert this PD array in order to hit it. Let me change the song, guys. Let me change the song. Hang on. Gonna get a copyright strike on YouTube. But we don't care. Last chance, boys. We're about to inverse this gap here on the 15-second only. I'm gonna give it another candle. Oops, shit. Another candle. If we don't reclaim the gap, I am closing my trade. If we don't reclaim the gap, I'm closing the trade. All right, closed. Close the trade, boys and girls. It is time. All right, and of course, we go right back. You fucker. That's why you can't ever trust the 15-second chart. The only thing that should ever last 15 seconds is me in bed. Dick. All right, guys. Happy Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions before we hop off. But I am very content with that. Executions from today. Turtle soup entry. Did actually wait for the inverse technically of a 30-second gap. Hopped in on this candle here. Entry ended up being 550 or 544. So let's get close that candle there. Stop was right there. And yeah, but depending on your ability to hold and stay in the trade, maybe you're still holding. But yeah, very, very great risk reward at this point, even with a partial. absolutely fantastic. You guys could say the market maker buy model strikes again. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Adios. Peace and love.